He who fears death will never do anything worth of a man who is alive. Seneca. This profound statement by Seneca, a leading Stoic philosopher, challenges us to confront our deepest fears and embrace the Stoic principles that have the power to fundamentally transform our perspective on life. Join us as we explore the timeless wisdom of Stoicism, a philosophy that teaches the art of living through virtue, reason, and self-control. Discover how Stoic principles can offer you a new lens through which to view the world, providing the strength to face life's challenges with composure and resilience. Let's embark on a journey to uncover the enduring insights of Stoicism and how they can inspire us to lead a more meaningful and fulfilling life. Be sure to like, leave a comment, and subscribe if you like our content. Stoicism, an ancient Greek philosophy founded in the early 3rd century BC, has resurged in popularity as a guiding beacon for navigating the complexities of modern life. At its core, Stoicism teaches the development of self-control, virtue, and resilience as means to achieve a tranquil state of mind and a good life. This philosophy posits that while we cannot control external events, we can control our reactions to them, thereby cultivating an inner peace that external conditions cannot disturb. In today's fast-paced and often tumultuous world, the Stoic emphasis on inner strength, ethical living, and emotional resilience is more relevant than ever. It offers practical strategies for managing stress, making reasoned decisions, and maintaining equanimity in the face of adversity. Stoicism teaches us to focus on what is within our power, our thoughts, beliefs, and actions, and to let go of what we cannot control. This approach not only enhances personal well-being, but also improves interpersonal relationships by fostering understanding, patience, and empathy. By embracing Stoic principles, individuals can lead more purposeful and centered lives, effectively turning challenges into opportunities for growth. Stoicism, therefore, is not just a philosophy of personal improvement, but a roadmap for living with dignity, integrity, and grace in the modern world. Modern-day problems. In the contemporary landscape, individuals grapple with a multitude of challenges that can significantly impact their mental and emotional well-being. Stress, stemming from work demands, societal pressures, and personal aspirations, is a pervasive issue. Anxiety, fueled by constant connectivity and comparison through social media, further exacerbates feelings of inadequacy and restlessness. Additionally, the inherent uncertainty of life, highlighted by global crises and personal upheavals, often leads to a sense of powerlessness and fear about the future. Stoic principles provide a powerful antidote to these modern-day malaises. By advocating for a focus on what is within our control, our thoughts, reactions, and actions, Stoicism empowers individuals to reclaim agency over their emotional state. It teaches acceptance of what cannot be changed and emphasizes the cultivation of inner tranquility, regardless of external circumstances. Moreover, Stoicism's emphasis on virtue and living in accordance with nature encourages individuals to align their actions with their values, fostering a sense of purpose and fulfillment. By adopting a Stoic mindset, one can learn to view challenges not as insurmountable obstacles, but as opportunities for personal growth and development. This shift in perspective can significantly reduce stress and anxiety, providing a more stable foundation from which to navigate the uncertainties of life. Stoic principles to focus on. Key Stoic principles offer profound insights into leading a content and balanced life amidst the chaos of the modern world. One foundational tenet is the distinction between what is within our control, our thoughts, intentions, and actions, and what is not, such as external events and the actions of others. This principle encourages a shift in focus towards our own behavior and attitudes, fostering a sense of empowerment and responsibility for our own peace of mind. Another vital Stoic practice is embracing adversity as a path to growth. Stoics view challenges not as hindrances, but as opportunities to practice virtues like resilience, courage, and patience. This perspective transforms our approach to difficulties, enabling us to grow stronger and more composed from our struggles rather than being overwhelmed by them. Practicing gratitude is also central to Stoicism. By appreciating what we have and recognizing the transient nature of material possessions and external achievements, we can cultivate contentment and joy in the present moment. Gratitude helps counteract the dissatisfaction and longing that often accompany the pursuit of external validation, leading to a more fulfilling and meaningful life. Together, these Stoic principles guide us towards a life of purpose, resilience, and inner peace. They teach us to value our internal state above external circumstances, finding strength and satisfaction in our own character and actions. Stoic principles to apply. One of the most compelling stories that encapsulate the transformative power of Stoic principles is that of James Stockdale, a United States Navy Vice Admiral and aviator. In 1965, during the Vietnam War, Stockdale's plane was shot down and he was captured, becoming a prisoner of war for over 7 years. Throughout this unimaginably difficult period, Stockdale relied heavily on the teachings of Epictetus, a Stoic philosopher who emphasized the importance of distinguishing between what is within our control and what is not. Stockdale's resilience in the face of torture, isolation, and uncertainty was grounded in his Stoic beliefs. He understood that while he could not control his captor's actions or the duration of his imprisonment, he could control his response to the situation. This Stoic mindset enabled him to maintain his dignity, lead and inspire fellow prisoners, and ultimately survive the ordeal with his spirit intact. Stockdale's story is a profound testament to the strength and freedom that can be found in embracing Stoic principles. His ability to apply Stoicism in the most extreme circumstances demonstrates the philosophy's practical relevance and its potential to guide us through life's toughest challenges. By focusing on what was within his control and accepting what was not, Stockdale transformed a situation of despair into one of triumph over adversity. Quotes from Stoics that you can apply to modern-day life. Marcus Aurelius: "You have power over your mind, not outside events. Realize this and you will find strength." This quote emphasizes the importance of focusing on what we can control, a reminder particularly relevant in today's fast-paced and often uncertain world. Epictetus: "It's not what happens to you, but how you react to it that matters." This statement is a powerful call to personal responsibility and resilience, encouraging us to choose our responses to life's challenges consciously. Seneca: "We suffer more often in imagination than in reality." In an age where anxiety and stress are prevalent, this quote reminds us to distinguish between our often exaggerated fears and the actual circumstances we face. Marcus Aurelius: "The happiness of your life depends upon the quality of your thoughts." This insight highlights the importance of mindfulness and positive thinking, especially relevant in combating the negative effects of social media and information overload. Epictetus: "Don't explain your philosophy, embody it." In a time when actions often fall short of words, this quote challenges us to live authentically and let our lives reflect our values and beliefs. In summary, Stoic principles offer timeless wisdom that can significantly enhance our ability to navigate the complexities of modern life. Central to Stoicism is the focus on differentiating between what is within our control, our thoughts, reactions, and actions, and what is beyond it, such as external events or the actions of others. This distinction empowers us to invest our energy wisely and maintain inner peace amidst external chaos. Embracing adversity as a path to growth is another key Stoic teaching, encouraging us to view challenges not as obstacles, but as opportunities for personal development and the practice of virtues like resilience and courage. Additionally, the practice of gratitude, by appreciating what we have and understanding the transient nature of external achievements, cultivates a deep sense of contentment and joy in the present moment. By adopting these Stoic principles, individuals can lead more purposeful, balanced, and fulfilling lives. Stoicism teaches us to embrace life's imperfections, to find strength in adversity, and to cherish the present. It's a philosophy not just of enduring life's hardships, but of thriving through them, fostering a resilient and virtuous character. In embracing Stoicism, we find a roadmap to a life of tranquility, purpose, and deep satisfaction, grounded in wisdom that has stood the test of time. Stay tuned for next week's episode on Unlocking the Mysterious Philosophy Nietzsche Can't Explain. Until then, stay Stoic.